Hello viewers, today I'm going to discuss about the perspective grid tool. With this, you can make a 2D or 3-dimensional object. As you can see, I have made something like image by using perspective tool. For this, how to do it, you have to take a picture, you have to take an artboard, and then you gotta go to the perspective grid tool. I'm just dragging down because I have to give upper side dimension also, as I'm checking how depth it would be or how clearly I can see it or not. Let's drag it a little bit more. Yeah, it's kind of okay, I guess. Because in the middle I have to draw. So let's just fill a color and let's just take a shape, and you have to use in left side, so you have to drag it to left from this side to that side. See how easily it's becoming. And then you have to press the right side of this perspective icon. Let's change the color so that you guys may understand the thing clearly. Oof. It's done. And then you just gotta go to the upper side, the horizontal part. So for this, also changing a color, and have to go to the clicking the horizontal part. Okay, horizontal grid I'm gonna click, and from here to their place I'm gonna drag it down. It's almost done. Yeah. Oops, I made a mistake, and for this I have to correct it. Press Ctrl T, Ctrl, and drag it to here. Just Ctrl on the keyboard. And it's almost done. And then you have to do select whole part of it and right button of the mouse and just click make a group of it. So this group, so that you can take the things anywhere as you like to do. And then oops, I think I made a mistake. And with the hand tool I'm going to drag it to right here. Let's use it. It's not happening with it. I have to take a direct selection tool. Well, I'm gonna drag it to a right place. Yeah, a little bit more. It's done already. And let's go to the, well, this is how it actually works. And if I talk about the perspective selection tool, which is Shift plus V, with this you can drag it down or drag it up. It's up to you how you can get the size. This is how it's works actually. Well, in my next video I'm gonna discuss about